Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So here on the right side of our device we get the volume buttons, and just tap on one from these volume buttons, that doesn't matter, and here you will see the bell icon. Just to activate the silence mode, tap twice on the bell icon and you will see the message that all your calls and notifications will be muted. So, and if you want to just disable the silent mode, just tap here again just once on the bell and you'll see that message that your calls and notifications will ring. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.